Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the boot problem in Linux Mint. To begin, you need a USB flash drive with the Linux Mint installer on it. If you do not already have that, go to the Linux Mint website on another working computer, download the ISO file, and use a tool like Rufus or Balena Etcher to create a bootable USB. Once that is ready, plug the USB into your computer that has the boot issue. Restart the computer and open the boot menu by pressing a key like F12 or ESC depending on your computer model. Select the USB drive to start Linux Mint. Choose the option that says Try Linux Mint. This loads the system without installing anything on your current setup. Now, when you are on the desktop, open the terminal. You will install a tool called Boot Repair. Type the following commands one by one. First, type sudo apt update and press enter. Then enter sudo apt install boot repair and press enter again. Let it install. After it is installed, type boot repair in the terminal and press enter to open it. A window will appear with a button that says recommended repair. Click that. It will now scan your system and try to fix any boot problems automatically, like restoring GRUB or correcting boot files. When it is done, it will give you a message. Close the tool and restart your computer by removing the USB drive. Your Linux Mint should now boot normally again. Thanks for watching.